So what's better, the Belize Trust or the Cook Islands Trust? There are certain circumstances where one is best, and there are certain circumstances where the other is best. Belize does have better laws than Cook Islands for asset protection because the statute of limitations is 0. They have better laws. But because of the trustworthiness, I recommended Cook Islands for many years. Now we have our trustee law firm and our office and our attorney down in Belize, who is a U.S. attorney licensed in New York and a Belize attorney licensed in Belize, and now we have a very trustworthy situation. So the one thing holding me back, the biggest thing holding me back, was the trustworthiness of the trustee. That's been taken care of. So that's the reason why the situation has changed in the Cook Islands. When the client is in litigation, the trustees have been under pressure by the regulators, which is a recent change, to hold back on providing service or charge tremendous fees for providing service, to step in to protect the client's assets when they're in a lawsuit. So those are two recent changes. And so when the situation changes, we're going to change our stance. That's as simple as that. We're not going to just be consistent for consistency's sake. We're going to tell you the truth and what's really going on. There may be some people out there who just want to sweep it under the rug and pretend like things weren't happening that were, so they could just keep saying the same things over and over again. We're not about that here. We're about being truthful to our clients, and when things change, we're going to tell you. The trustworthiness was the issue in the Belize. That was the hang-up. We got that taken care of. The Cook Islands is wonderful, and we still like it, and we still tout it. We're not saying that it's bad. I'm just telling you there's the strengths and weaknesses. There are the strengths and weaknesses of a Cook Islands Trust and Belize Trust, and they're both very, very, very good. So whether you have one or the other, your assets will be protected. And the nice thing is, if there's something that you don't like that's happening in one of the jurisdictions, we can always switch it to the other. So the key thing is, I want to keep you informed, and I want to tell you the truth, and new things come up, and they always do. Things don't always stay the same. Things change. And when they do, I'm going to tell you about it. There's no sense in being nervous about it. Just because I say good things about Belize Trust doesn't mean that I think Cook Islands is bad now. No, I think it's really, really good. I think it's superb. And I think now that with the situation in Belize, it's superb. So now we have two superb choices instead of just one. I think it's great. I think it's wonderful. And I'm excited to tell you about it. And that's why I've been telling you about it. I'm just going to tell you what's going on. If you want the straight scoop, watch The Business Guy.